Hello folks, quick video from Trade Ideas Stock Market Scanning Technology. We're highlighting our virtual trading assistant Holly. A short call made in BJ's today from that, so we'd see a nice gap down and eventually a big release. Now the things we want to highlight here are human and machine combination, right? Holly puts a stop in at 71.09. You may or may not agree with that stop, but all the same. We're now thinking about risk management. We're thinking about exit plans. We end up getting a very nice release early on here in that trade. Great money into the profit, and we see a bounce back here, right? And depending on the risk module you're looking at of Holly is whether you'd be directed whether or not to get in and out of the trade. However, it's important to remember human and machine combination, and that no human would let a trade reverse on them like that. At least no successful trading human would do that. And while the trade ends up working out even nice later, maybe it gives us a double shot here. We take some profit here, right? We're out, we're done, right? Maybe we set a price alert and we're looking back at it again. We're going to get a second release like that. These are the kind of things that Trade Ideas Technology is providing, many other things as well, aside from our virtual trading assistant, Holly. If you like what you saw here, you want to see more, come visit us, trade-ideas.com. We'll see you there.